Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski, and today I want to talk about coefficients that we've created before. And I told you before that when our financial model will be ready, you will want to play with different data to adjust your payback period, to adjust profitability of your business idea, to create new scenarios, and so on. So now I'd like to show you how you can play with these coefficients. We will take this diagram and place it closer to coefficients. We'll make it smaller. So for example, when you see the cash flow statement, when you see the payback period diagram, first the question that you can ask yourself is what will be the payback period if we don't have, for example, product number 5? How the business will look like if you are too optimistic, for example. Or for example, what will be if there will be no product number 3, or what will happen if there are no product number, for example, 2 and number 5. How they influence on financial efficiency. Or you can ask a question. For example, if the revenue from the product number 3 will be 50% of what we've planned, or what will be the payback period if we have 70% of revenue from product number 5, or for example 30%. So what we are fighting for is we don't have to retype a big amount of data to see what will happen to the product if sufficient data about products will be changed. And you can create lots and lots of scenarios very quickly to see what if this happened, what if that happened, and you will be able to see your product in details. Also, for example, you can do the same with expenses. So here we can see what happens to the payback period if this product will be switch on or switch off. What will happen if the revenue will go up or go down. Also, you can go, for example, to fixed costs. And you can switch on all expenses. Or for example, you would like to know if this type of expenses will grow twice, for example. What will happen with payback period? What will happen with payback period if we won't have this type of expenses? And having these coefficients, you will be able to create lots of scenarios and to see how flexible your business idea is. These coefficients always help entrepreneurs to see the clear picture of their business idea from the beginning till the moment when business goes to the second stage, third stage, and so on. And the more coefficients you will create working with inputs. For example, you can add coefficient to any parameter of inputs. The more scenarios you will be able to create quickly when your cash flow statement will be created. You will see the results. You will see the cash balance at the end of the period, and when you see the financial efficiency, you will start asking yourself lots of questions about what will happen if that, and so on. And this system of coefficients will give you an opportunity to do a scenario analysis very quickly, without making any mistakes, without retyping a big amount of input data.